Selection construct is one of the fundamental constructs of programming. The styles it can take has been briefly explained in this session. A programming construct is the model in which instructions can be given to the computer. The popular constructs are: sequence allows you to give instructions to be followed one after the other in a sequence. Selection allows to take decision on the basis of a checking whether a condition meets a criteria and then adopt an alternate path. Iteration is repeated execution of certain commands until allowed to come out to the main flow on the basis of a criteria check. In this session, we shall learn about selection techniques. The most popular selection construct is the if-else construct. It can generally have the basic forms shown here with the help of interesting example codes. In case of simple if, just the condition is checked, and if it is true, control diverts for execution of one or more instructions. Later it returns to normal sequence. In if-else construct, where a single or set of instructions are available for both true and false conditions, in case of nested if-else, checking progressively reaches the inner condition and then command set comes out progressively to the outer else. An else always relates to nearest if condition check above it, irrespective of its indentation. The if-else ladder is one of the very popular forms where multiple ranges are checked with the help of else-if checks one by one. In most cases, the last one is just the leftover else statement without any further condition. The ternary operator, earlier shown as an operator in the tokens section, is also a type of selection construct with the additional possibility of assigning the returned value to another variable. Here is the example. Here there are two statements which are using the ternary selection. In first one, when day value is less than 7, the condition becomes true and first value before colon character is returned, which incidentally in this case is the value false. When day is assigned as 7 and the condition is false, it will return the boolean value true, the value after the colon character. In second use of ternary operator expression, when Sunday boolean type variable is true, it is going to return 9, which will be assigned to integer variable wt, and the given code will finally print wake me up at 9. When we have a condition scenario where multiple singular cases are to be checked, we use another form of selection construct which is called the switch. Its example is shown here. One can easily follow this example by watching that a string variable gs that will contain the performance related note has been set on the basis of a char variable grade for case A, B, C and D. Later for case E and F, same settings has been done. The default case which is reached when no other match is true is actually an invalid case in this problem. Learners are also advised to build this problem using the if-else ladder type of selection construct. Although all types of switch can be implemented using the if-else construct, in singular case check like matching with a character or integer, switch turns out to be a neat solution.